Hello everyone. Have you ever noticed your React Native or Expo app getting slower after using it for a while? Like navigation takes longer, the back button feels delayed, and only full start can fix it. Let's talk about why it happens and how to fix it. There are two types of navigation called stack navigation and another one is tab navigation. Whenever we use a stack navigation, it keeps on adding new screen for the memory. Whenever we navigate from one screen to another screen, it keeps on adding that screen to memory. Without cleaning that, the stack will become bulk, in the sense where the memory will become heavily loaded, so our app feels like a laggy or something. Like whenever we move to other screens, right, it feels like a laggy, or it feels like it is taking delay or something like that. So there are some solution for this. We can use a Expo dismiss methods for clearing out the stack. For example, if we are in some navigation screens, and when we come back to the home page or dashboard page, we need to like clear out all other screens from the stack. We can use a dismiss all to clear out all the screens which are in a stack, and we can also use a dismiss of count. In that right, we can specify how many screens we need to dismiss. Okay. Also we can use a dismiss too, like we can dismiss the screens until that route, something like that. So let's see some example on this. Like as we have here, right, on the first screen we have something like dismiss all. This will be like dismissing all the screens which we have navigated before. And here is like dismiss of count. We are dismissing 3, like we are deleting the 3 screens from the stack. And here is the root dismiss selection. Till the slash root, it will dismiss all the screens. Okay. Also, we can use a full app reset strategy, which is like we can use a location.reload. It will be similar to like closing the app and reopening it. It will work like same. We can use this as when we log out or sign out from the app. At that time, we can make use of this. So there are some best practices to use. Like whenever we sign up, right, we can dismiss all the screens or log out. At that time, we can reload or dismiss all screens, something like that. Also, whenever we navigation, right, or from the dashboard to other pages, and when we come back to the dashboard page, we need to remove all the screens from the stack, something like that. Yeah, so this is not the problem of React Native or Expo. This we need to handle it with the dismiss or something. So this way we can handle it. We can make a lag free or a zero lag app. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.